So hello guys, so we have more things here to unbox. So let's see what we have here. So this, let's see what is this. So this is hair. Okay, it's a factory synthetic hair. So can you see it? It's here. So let's see what we have here. Okay, this is also hair, but this is curly and black. Curly and black, right? So see, curly and black. So let's see what we have here. What is this? Let's see. Is it what I'm thinking it is? Okay, so hold on. Okay, so see what we have here, right? These are tops. So these are tops of different colors. So this is purple, this is green, this is ox blood, so this is blue, this is green as well, but different designs. So this is orange, and we have yellow, blue, pink, and off-white. So let's see, of different colors and different sizes. So they are of different colors and different sizes. So let's see one. So here, so can you see? It's looking cute, right? Okay. You too can import this for chicken money all the way from China, right? I don't know how to pack it again. As well. I'm gonna do that later. I'm gonna do the packing later. So you too can import this all the way from China for chicken money, right? So let's see what we have here. So let's see what we have here. So like this. Come on, I have to turn my fan towards me. So let's see what we have here. So what is this? I still think it's children wears, but let's see. Guys, let's open it and see. Wow, so it's children gowns. Okay, so it's mixed children gowns. Okay, so look at, well, it's cute. So look at these mixed children gowns. Right, this one is another, is the first design. So there's still other designs too, and here as well. So it's mixed children gowns. That's what we have here. So let's see what we have here. Right, let's see what we have here. Okay, so this, look at what we have here. These are nails, so we decided to buy nails. I'm going to be dropping the picture on this video so you see it very well. So these are nails, okay, both for, I think both for toes and fingers. So these are nails. It comes in pack of is it pack of 100 or 200? Seems like it's pack of either 100 or 200. I think it's 200, so it comes in pack of 200 or thereabout. So this is it, pack of nails, and we have it in plenty quantity. You can see them, right? Yeah, so you too can import this. If you're into salon business, you can import this and sell very cheap, importing it from China. But you know how much is being sold here now in the country. So if you're into salon business, you can import it and sell in your salon. Okay, so lastly for this video, let's see what we have here. Right, so let's see what we have here. Okay, so I think this is a grater, right? So yes, it's a grater. So this is a grater. The 16 pieces veggie slicer. So look at what it has here: quartz cheese grater, 4mm grater, wavy slicer, so many things, hand protector, colander, peeler, blade storage container, press cut, egg separator, cleaning brush, 3mm grater. It has so many things inside. This is a grater. Okay, if you're into if you're into household items, kitchen utensils, you can import this yourself for chicken money and resell here in the country. You can't imagine the price it's being sold in the country, so you can import it yourself and sell instead of going to buy from the market. Or even if you want to use, you can import it yourself and use instead of going to buy from the market, right? Yes, so this is it. So thank you, see you in my next video.